Hello children, welcome to your math class. So the lesson which we are going to do is lesson 4 and the name of the lesson is division. The topic which we are going to do today is short division method. And the learning outcome, that is what you are going to learn after doing this topic. So children, you will be able to know the method of solving division sums by using short division method. So before we start, first we will revise some terms. The first term which you have already learned in this chapter. The first term is dividend. So what is dividend? So the number which is to be divided, it is called dividend. Second term is divisor. So the number by which the dividend is to be divided is called divisor. And the third term is quotient. That is the answer which you get after division, that is called division. So ma'am is revising these terms because we are going to use these terms while doing questions. Okay. Now here the first question is how you're going to read it. It is 45 divided by 5. And the first step which you are supposed to follow while doing the question of short division method is divide. Okay. So here first what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to draw one bar. You can see ma'am has drawn one bar here like this. This is bar. So first we will draw bar and the dividend, the number which is to be divided. It is 45. It is written inside. And 5, that is divisor, it is to be written outside. So always in every question, dividend will go inside the bar and divisor, it is to be written outside the bar. Now step 2. Step 2 is of multiplication. That is, the step 2 is multiply. So here, how you're supposed to apply this step of multiplication. So children, we will find out that how many times this 45, it is there in the table of 5. So for that we have to say the table of 5 first. You already know the table of 5. So we will say the table of 5. Okay. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40 and 5 nines are 45. So children, you can see we have got 45 and it is what we have got. 5 nines are, how you are going to read it? 5 nines are is 45. Okay. So we have got that how many times 45 is there in the table of 5? It is 9 times. So this 9, listen carefully children, this 9, it is to be written on the top of the bar. Okay. So 5 nines are 45, 45 is the product and here it is the dividend. Okay. So this 9, it will be written on the top of the bar. So how you are going to read it? 5 nines are is 45 and this 45, this product which you have got after multiplying 5 and 9, that is 5 nines are 45, it is to be written under the dividend. Here see ma'am has written it under the dividend. So 5 nines are 45, this 9 will be written on the top and this is your quotient. And the product, it is to be written under the dividend, as you can see ma'am has written here. Okay. Now we'll see our third step. Third step is of subtraction. That is, you are going to subtract. You are supposed to subtract. Okay. So this we have already done. 5 nines are 45. Okay. So 9 is the question, just how ma'am has told you. And 45, the product of 5 and 9, it is to be written under the dividend, as we have written here. Now third step, you are supposed to subtract dividend and the product which you have got after multiplying 5 and 9. So we will subtract 45 and 45. Okay. So simply you can see that both here 5 minus 5 is 0 and 4 minus 4 is also 0. So 45 and 45 minus 45, actually we are doing, both the numbers are same. So whenever we subtract same numbers, we get 0. This you already know. You already know this property of subtraction. So what we have got? We have got 0. So this 0 which you will get after subtraction, listen carefully, it is called remainder. So the answer which we have got, which is written on the top of the bar, this is called quotient. And here whatever you are getting after subtraction, after subtracting the dividend and the product of 5 into 9, that here it is, and it is 0 here, okay, and it is called remainder. Okay, so you should know these terms very nicely, because always we are going to use these terms. Okay, so these are all the 3 steps. Step 1, I'm repeating again, is of division, that is divide. Step 2 is of multiplication, that is multiply. And step 3 is of subtraction, that is you are supposed to subtract. So what is 45 divided by 5? We have done. And listen children, one more thing. Now you have got the remainder. So after this we will stop our division. Okay, whether it is 0 or it is any other number. So after getting the remainder, we will stop our division. We have done with our division. Okay, so here the remainder is 0 and we have done with the division. So now 45 divided by 5 is 9. That is, your quotient is 9. So here the quotient is 9 and the remainder, just now the remainder is 0. So remainder. Okay children, now we'll do one more question. It is 21 divided by 3. Here 21 is the dividend, so it is written inside the bar, and 3 is the divisor, so it is written outside the bar. Okay, so now we'll start. First step is of, we have to divide. So 21 is divided by 3. Second step, we have to do multiplication. Okay, so here the dividend is 21, so we will say the table of 3 and we will find out that how many times this 21 is there in the table of 3. Okay, so now we'll say the table. You already know the table of 3. So it is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 sevens are 21. So children, we have got 21 and it is 3 sevens are 21. Okay, so we have got a product, it is 21. So it is how many times? It is 7 times. That is the second factor. So it will be written on the top of the bar and it is the quotient. Okay, and the product which we are getting by multiplying 3 and 7, it will be written under dividend. Okay, so this is your second step. Now third step, now we will do subtraction. We will subtract that dividend and the product which we have got after multiplying these two factors, that is 3 and 7, because 3 sevens is 21. Now 21, you already know the property of subtraction. If we subtract same digits, like here 1 minus 1, it is 0, and 2 minus 2, again it is 0. So this number which you are getting after doing subtraction, this is called remainder. Okay, so now we have got a quotient and we have got our remainder, that is 0. Okay, so what is the quotient here? Quotient is 7 and remainder is 0. So this way children, you have to follow all the steps and you have to do questions of short division.